Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I hope you guys are all doing well with all this quarantine stuff going on and staying healthy. Let's get into it. We got an IPSY bag today, you guys. We have our cute little, look at that cute pattern for April. So I get the IPSY Ultimate bag, Glam Bag Ultimate, and I get it only every other month because it's $50 a box, a bag for the Ultimate one. They have the Glam Bag, which is 5 samples, like deluxe samples for I think $12 per bag. They have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 per bag, and then they have the Ultimate. The Glam Bag Plus has 5 full-size items. The Ultimate, which is what we have here, has 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe size items. Like sample deluxe. So yeah, this was their cute Ultimate bag. It has like these cute wooden handles, has IPSY on there, and I just like the little flowers. It's like really cute. Opens up from the top, which I really like. And let's get into all the things they sent. Now I did get this box a couple days ago. I wanted to try some of the products before I did this, and I am wearing pretty much all of the products today. So, except for my foundation. They didn't send me a foundation this time, but I put it in here. Dun, dun, dun. I use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and you only need like 2 squirts, if that, of this stuff for coverage. So, color correcting full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum with SPF 50. So that's what I use like every day for my foundation. But anywho. And you can get that at like Ulta, Sephora, wherever. They send you the little pamphlet. This month's theme is Full Bloom. Hashtag IPSY Full Bloom. And they send you everything that's in your bag. And then like the first of the month, or I think it might be the second of the month, you can put add-ons into your bag too. They like offer different priced add-ons. But yeah, look at all that cool stuff. It's double-sided. That's how much stuff is in there. Woo woo. Anywho, let's get right into it. With the first thing is the IPSY Beauty Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette. Full size, $25. And it is beautiful, you guys. Look at that shimmer. It is so pretty. And then the colors inside are so springy and so pigmented. So I have on today the Crown Chakra, that one, and then the Peace, and then a little bit of Third Eye right there, which is like super glittery. I don't know if you can tell, but so that's what I have on today. Let's get the light back and I can show you. Yeah, I want to just try something like springy and purple. I can't close this eye without closing this eye too. Like I can close this eye fine, but yeah. And then the eyeliner. I guess I'll do that one next since I'm showing you my eyes. Oh yeah, and then up here under the brow I have Spirit Animal right there. So yeah, I really like that palette. I think it's going to be super cute for spring. I really like it. It's official. This is the eyeshadow palette to end all palettes, is what it says. Let me put my glasses back on so I can see. You guys, I really do need my glasses. Let's see. Yeah. I love it. With everything from lavender to punchy green in a variety of matte, shimmer, and sparkly finishes, your options are endless. So yeah, they do that at $25. I did the math all ahead of time, and my bag is worth like $207, and I paid $50 for it, so that's a good deal to me. And then we'll just go down the line. Yensa, which reminds me of like Fiddler on the Roof with Yenta, the matchmaker. I don't know. Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. Full size, $38. Now, I did try this. I'm not really a fan so far. I did only try it once. We'll take it out of the box here. Throw the box aside. So it comes with a pump, which is awesome because, you know, it's oil. You don't want it to like spill out all over you. But I just wasn't really a fan of the way it felt. It felt kind of sticky. And the smell I didn't really like either. So I'll give it another try, and then I might like give it to someone. I don't know. But, and I don't know. I didn't really take my makeup off super well either. Like, I don't know. Let's see what they have to say about it. Stop struggling with face wipes. This luxurious cleansing oil is our favorite way to get clean at the end of a long day. The oil to milk emulsion melts away face and eye makeup, even the waterproof kind, and removes buildup and impurities that accumulate on skin during the day. Yeah, I wasn't super impressed, but I might give it a few more tries. I don't know. Next we have, let's see, I'm trying to like put things aside as I go so I don't keep grabbing it. Where is it? Next we have the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara in black. And I have this on as well. I'll show you my eyes again. I don't know. I really liked it. It has a nice long wand. Let's get it open. I put everything back in the packages because all the packages were super pretty. I'll toss them away. So yeah, comes in just this pretty standard tube. That's the wand right there. It'll focus on my face. I don't want it to focus on my face. So yep, that's the wand. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but it's really long. It's about like an inch long. And I think it did a really good job. I like it. I'm pleased with that one. I like it. And then next we have the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set, which is what I have on. And I really like this one too. Let me find it. I love Trestique. I don't know if you guys have ever bought Trestique before, but I really like everything I've tried from there so far. I really like their highlighter stick. Yeah, that I've gotten in like a mini set before. So this has 4 different colors. It has English Rose, which is what I have on. And the tubes come like that. They're really cute. They look like a crayon. And then you open it up, and it has the little roll to make it bigger or smaller. Yeah, I really like this color. Like, there's pretty much just one color in here I probably wouldn't wear as much. It's more like a baby pink, almost purple. So those colors are English Rose, there's Georgia Peach, Paris Pink, and Shell Beach Sheer. And let's see what they have to say about these ones. Full size. This is the, you know, mini size. But $48 for this set. We can't get over this lip set's level of cuteness. The shades were curated by us just for you. As soon as you swipe it on, you'll treat your lips to a lightweight stain and intense hydration that lasts all day. All day long. We'll see. But yeah, it feels really nice. I like it. Next we have the I'm gonna butcher this name. Il Maquillage eyeliner, and that's the purple eyeliner that I have on to go with my purple eyeshadow. I was feeling really purple today. Let me back. I feel like I'm super close to you guys. Well, I am super close to you guys. You guys are great. Full size, $17. Say hello to the statement-making purple eyeliner your makeup bag needs. This versatile gel pencil goes on smooth and allows you to create every eye look imaginable. Yeah, I don't have a purple eyeliner, so I was really excited to get this. I have green eyes, and I feel like purple just really, you know, makes my eyes pop a little bit more. So I would have to sharpen it. I don't have a sharpener, a pencil sharpener, so I'll have to get one of those, but yeah. We're moving along, you guys. We're doing it. So this is the one, the next thing is the one thing I didn't use. Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio, $28. And it's really, really pretty. I do have a cheek trio that's kind of like it already, but it is a little bit old, so, you know, we'll just use a new one. Kind of like in a marble case. You can see, there we go, kind of the darker colors. And yeah, so it has a blush, it has like a highlighter, a bronzer, and we'll read about that. This trio of blush, bronzer, and highlighter gives your skin the ultimate sun-kissed glow, even if you didn't make it to Cabo for spring break. No one made it to Cabo for spring break. So I'm excited to get a new one, but they did send me 3 other products that are literally a blush, a single highlighter, and a single bronzer. So I kind of got like doubled up in this bag, but whatever. What can you do? Next, speaking of, we have the single blush they sent me, which is what I have on. And I like it. I like the color. I do like getting the single products. So that's the blush by Kaleido Cosmetics. And it has kind of like a shimmer in it. I don't know if you can tell. Nothing feels more spring than a flush of pink color. The buildable blush formula goes from subtle to bold with ease, depending on your mood. Depending on my mood is right. And then we have, they sent me a perfume this time, which I was really excited about, because I don't think I've gotten one yet from them. And it's the Kenzie Life Beat scent. And this is like the deluxe sample size, but it's huge, you guys. Like, look how big it is. That's what she said. It is huge, so it's awesome. I really... It smells beautiful. Not that I'm going anywhere. But it's nice to still smell nice in your own house, I guess. And it says, are you nose blind to your everyday scent? Yes, that's a real thing. It's probably time to switch it up. This trend-setting fashion brand is bringing its soft, feminine aesthetic to the fragrance world with this light and fresh blend of citrus, coconut, peach, jasmine, and magnolia. It smells really good. I do like it. Lavito 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. I haven't tried this yet. I'm not a huge fan of face masks that you have to put on like with your fingers that are like this kind. I like the face masks that are like the sheet masks better. So I haven't tried that yet. Don't let dead skin cells dull your shine this spring. Full size $36, by the way. Forgot to tell you. And the blush was $8. Add this 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser mask to your routine and get ready to glow like crazy. Packed with plant-based ingredients, blah, 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 blah. So I'll have time to try that during quarantine. Space Case Fakecation Bronzer, Deluxe Sample. I love Space Case stuff. They sent me a highlighter a few bags ago, I think, and I've used it like almost all up. So I really like their products. The Space Case in the color Fakecation on Mars. Huh. So, yeah. Let me put a little on my hand. It's just really kind of like a subtle glowy color, if you can tell. I don't know how to do this. But I do have that on too. I guess I could have just showed you on my face and not my hand. But I do have that on too. I have the blush on. I tried to use like everything in this bag. And that's a deluxe sample. But the full version is $9. And then the next, they sent me a highlighter from Estate Cosmetics called Do Me. Do Me, baby. Don't. And I have that on as well. It's kind of more of like a gold highlighter, which you'll see in a moment. And it's baked. So, Do Me Baked Highlighter in Lit. We're all about this golden highlighter's light, airy texture. You barely feel it on and it doesn't look cakey over your makeup, no matter how much you layer. Plus, the velvety baked formula means you can use it both dry or wet to intensify the pigments. Let's see. Look at that. The light is just reflecting off it beautifully. So yeah. I say so yeah a lot. Sorry about that. Hashtag not sorry. And we are almost done, you guys. Last in my bag that they sent me is the Duft & Doft Hydra Soother Balancing Radiance Cream. Even if your skin is, this is a deluxe sample. And then the highlighter was $10. Deluxe sample. Very small. Even if your skin is oily, it still needs hydration. Get your fill with this water-based gel cream. It uses a trio of humectants, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and bamboo water extract to give oily skin the lightweight hydration it craves. Even better, it plumps the look of fine lines too. I did use this under my eyes today. Not that you'll be able to tell, but it felt really nice. So that's great. And then I did add 3 things on to my bag this time. And one was what I've been wanting to try for a while, the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And I think this did a great job. It kind of blurred your pores. That's what it says on the back. Refined, smooth prep, and even out skin tone in one simple step. And it did. I really liked it. And then I added on a brow pencil from Real Her. I Am Strong Definer brow pencil, and it's super duper thin. And sometimes I struggle with like the really thin ones because I feel like I just use it up too quickly. But I don't even know if you'll be able to tell. Look how thin that is. So it has that on the one side, and then it does have the little comb on the other side. So I added that, and then last, I found a concealer. So this is the Koki concealer, which in Korean I believe they said means elephant. And it's the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. I think in just the color light. So yeah, those are my add-ons for this bag. And I'm just really happy. I'm really happy with everything I got in the box except for that, like, the CBD cleansing oil. I don't know. But yeah, so that's what I got this month, you guys. And I get it every other month, like I said, because it is $50 and you get a lot of products. So you get time to use them before you get your next bag if you do it every other month. But yeah, what are you guys doing? What are you doing to kill the boredom? My husband's pacing back and forth today because he's just bored. I haven't even, well, I did drink my wine a little bit earlier, as you can tell. If you guys want to try the IPSY, I'll leave my referral link below. It'll take you to their website. And yeah, you can try it out for yourself. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And that way you'll get notified every time I do these, because I don't do them a certain day of the week. I don't do them every week. It's just kind of random whenever I want to, because I'm a random person. So thank you guys so much for watching and spending some time with me. Still waiting on my Stitch Fix box. I'll put my latest box of IPSY up here. I think it's like a long time ago because I haven't done one of these in a while. But I'll put a link up here, and then yeah, you can click on that if you want and see what I got in the past. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys next time.